Alright, Steel Horse ahoy. Blue scope steel train through the Tyabb cut. He came through the South Yarra live cam there at around about, I'm going to say 11:30. Managed to catch that as it was going through. And there we've got VL357 on the front and 353 comic cord on the back, the sticker unit, widescreen mode. Oh yeah, gets a bit on him going around this corner. Not the fastest one I've seen come around here, but he's got a bit of a load on today. You can see all the coils aren't the same height. There's smaller ones and shorter ones and wider ones and skinnier ones. And then we've got butter boxes ahoy. They're called hoppers ahoy. They're butter boxes. Good sized train for a blue scope train on a Tuesday. And end of train device. Okay, he's got about another kilometre and a half to go down before he's at the turnout at the blue scope Y, and he'll go in there and drop all that stuff off and prepare to go back up to the city. All right, on to the next one. Doodlebug ahoy. They've got a few signalling drums down here at the moment. There is a crew working on that, but those gates are going down alright. Whether they go up, I think it's going to be the drama. Alright, there he is. Giving the double workers over there a horn salute. As the temperature starts warming up quite a fair bit, we're up to about 30 degrees here now, so we're getting towards the 90s. Get a horn salute. And we'll be able to watch him going through the gap there at the Y. Excellent. Very hard to see through my viewfinder today. Special Agent Fox Mulder here, and we're down at the Blue Scope yard in Hastings. And we can see down in the distance there, we've got the train on the runway as he's just going across the D-rail at the moment. And he'll be hitting the runway any tick of the clock. Here's the runway here, what I call the runway. Of course, this is the blue scope turnout. And he'll be coming along any tick of the clock. All right, we've got a Doodlebug ahoy. Step back out of his way. Got the horn salute going as he goes across some of the mud holes. Horn salute, all right, and away. Cool lad. The double Doodlebug DMU sprinters go past and they're pulling up to Tyabb station. Someone getting on the platform there. Now, next train, as he goes down there, about 2 kilometres down, just about a mile anyway, there's the blue scope Y. It's where he'll be going past there, and then the steel train shall join the main line and be coming towards me and going back over my shoulder, not literally because that would probably hurt, but up to Melbourne. Alright, Doodlebug away, and his track limit up to and around the next corner is about 80 kilometres an hour. Then he's restricted because of some private driveways, but he may have a few heat restrictions today. It's reached 30, so, and away he goes. He's heading across Mornington Tyabb Road now. Alright, let's wait for the next one. And there we have a plane coming to land at the north-south, at the northern end of the north-south runway there at Tyabb. Alright, Steel Horse ahoy. He's really got it in the notch 8 now. Really got the power down. You can hear it. It looks like he's got some of the intermodals on the empty coil cyligers there on him. Why, it's green mode. Horn salute all right. So we've got some empty coil stillages. There you go over the, get a bit of flex on that there. Not bad length, we've got the empty ones on the back. And there he goes, up the hill. Sorry about the shake. You can see some of his remaining puffing billy smoke there. That's not a bad shot. Going around the corner up there with all those intermodals and the empty coil stillages. Alright, hope you enjoyed that. Small afternoon little track side from Agent Mulder. Go ahead and give me a like and a subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. And that'll be Special Agent Fox Mulder, trying very hard to get ahead of that train to Frankston and out.